Small earthquakes reported near Buford late Thursday night, early Friday. Late Thursday night and early Friday, small earthquakes were reported near Buford and Lake Lanier. The U.S. Geological Survey recorded a 2.5 magnitude earthquake at 11:15 p.m. on June 6. Later, a 1.7 magnitude earthquake occurred at 1:30 a.m. on June 7th. The first earthquake had a depth of 4.1 kilometers, or 2.5 miles. The smaller quake had a depth of almost 1.7 miles. Earthquakes under 2.5 magnitude are typically not felt by people. Several residents reported feeling the Thursday night quake, but no damage or injuries have been reported.